Hello everyone, in this session we are going to talk about the inactive relationships. So let me open the model view for you. So let's say if we are having this data model over here. Now we know that whenever we are creating these relationships, we are creating one relationship at a time. Now let's say if you don't need this relationship for now, because whenever you are creating this relationship, the model is becoming complex and it is trying to extract the data out of it, which in turns would be making your visuals lag a bit because it is trying to process that information out of it. By lag, I mean it would require some extra amount of time. Now, let's say if you don't need this relationship for now, what you can do is you can click on this option, go to the properties option, and over here you can use this option of make this relationship active. So I will just uncheck this and click on OK. And this would make your relationship inactive. Now, how to identify which relationship is active and which is inactive? So you can see a solid line is coming over here where the relationship is active. And where the relationship is inactive, I can see these dotted lines. So with the help of this, I can easily identify which particular relationship is inactive. Now, another thing to notice over here is, let's say if this relationship was active. So if I'm making this active again, I will again have to click this, make this relationship active and click on OK. Additionally, I can also go in the manage relationships option over here in the relationship. And I can use these options of active and inactive. So I can use these check marks. Now, what happens is that at a time, I can create only one relationship between two tables. But let's say if I want to create another relationship between these two tables, the returns and the orders. Now, how can I do it? So over here in the orders table, I know there is a market column. And also in the returns table, I have this market. Now, both of these are repeating values. So that means they would be creating many to many relationship. Now, as we have talked about that, we should not create many to many relationship because it can create some ambiguity in the data. That means your data would not be giving you some correct results. They would be giving you some different figures from what exactly the numbers are supposed to be shown. Now, let's say still I choose to create this relationship. So if I drag and drop this market on the top of this market over here in the orders. So first of all, it is giving me this error over here, which is showing me that this relationship has cardinality many to many. So let's ignore it for now. Let's say if this particular error was not coming over here, what should I do? So I will use this, make this relationship active option. Now it is giving me another error which says you cannot create a direct active relationship between returns and orders because an active set of indirect relationship already exists between these tables. That means it is trying to tell me that there is already a relationship between these two tables and you cannot create this active relationship for now. So if I uncheck this and click on OK, you will see it has created a new relationship for me. And if I just go on the top of it, you can see the market is highlighted between both these two tables. That means it is creating this relationship on the basis of market column. But this relationship is not active. So what you can do is, so let's say if I want to utilize this relationship, still I want to utilize it. And let's forget about this many to many relationship for now. So if this was correct relationship and I still want to use it, so in that case, what I need to do is first I need to turn off this relationship. I need to make it inactive and then I need to make this one active. But what if I want to use both at a time? In that case, I have to write a text query. In that, I have to specify that I would be using this inactive relationship. Only then I would be able to use this particular relationship. Now, what is text? We'll be talking about it in the upcoming session. So this is how you make the relationship active and inactive. And also, if you want to use this inactive relationship, then you'll be using the text. Thank you.